Today I'm going to go through a step that are called sort of advanced Charleston. it's not that advanced, but compared to the normal Charleston I had in the basic series, basic steps, where you have two sort of versions with the Charleston. As I explained, you have the step, kick, step, touch, back, or you can have do a semicircle and a point, so it's point, step, back, point, step, forward. That's a sort of a normal basic level Charleston. With a sort of a little bit higher level Charleston, you start with two kicks, and then you end up with a mambo step. Yeah. So if I start with my back towards the camera and my weight on my left, I do two kicks with my right foot, one forward and one sort of to the right or right to the diagonal. So it's kick, step together, mambo back on left, mambo step. One more time. So it's kick together, mambo step. And then normal counting, doing Charleston this way. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. One more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And the weight ends up on left when you finish. You can of course do it with my left. You will start kick to the left as well, and I have the weight on my right. So just to try that one more time, one time as well. 7, 8, kick together, mambo step. So it sort of depends. If you're right-handed, like I am, it feels easier to do it with my right foot, start with right foot. But of course, as line dancers, we should be able to do it with both feet. So yeah, good luck.